Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a nice small foldable table by a company called GreenForest. So as you can see, it makes a nice little kind of study desk. You can have a computer laptop set up like I have here. It's great for doing homework, or it's great to just decorating an area. Now, one of the nice things about this desk requires no assembly. Right out of the box, you just simply pull it out and it is good to go. Now, it does have a different color laminates on the top. The top does have a nice wood premium feeling laminate. And then I have the white powder coated sides. And because it folds so easily, this means you can put it away in storage. You can tuck it underneath a bed. You can put it in a closet. Basically, if you just don't want it out, you can quickly, within a few seconds, put it away, which is really, really nice. Now, to give you an idea of the overall size, it is approximately 27¼ inches wide, and then about 22 inches deep. And then it's about 31¾ inch to the tallest part. So those are the overall kind of outside brackets into the overall height. The desk itself is about 17¾ deep, and it's about 24¾ wide. So your extra distance here is the metal brackets. Now the upper shelf itself is about 5¾ inches deep. And when you fold it all down, it's about 1 inch thick. So, like I said, it folds really, really flat, which is nice. But overall, it's a great little desk setup. I absolutely love it. Require no assembly, and it looks really, really nice. So if you are in the market for a nice little compact desk, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.